Hey y'all, I'm back with part 2. So this is how I styled my hair after I did my first retwist after combining my locks, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a family member, and go over to Instagram and check out my page. It's .BreeG. Let's go. So here I am. I went ahead and parted my hair into 2 sections, and I left the 2 pieces hanging on the sides by my ear. So in the previous video, I showed y'all my retwist with my hair combining. So now this is me just doing the style. So I told y'all I was trying to do a style where I didn't have to manipulate it a lot and I could just keep it up. So that's why I decided to do just 2 barrel rolls straight down the back of my hair. So I'm starting out. If y'all see my previous barrel roll videos, this is something I do quite often, but I'm also learning, like, be careful, don't do this too much, because you do start getting weak points in your locks, so be careful with it. And also, I know you see me like twisting my hair as I make the barrel roll, but make sure you don't twist too much. You don't want it too tight, because you don't want it to break off your hair, and you just don't want a lot of tension on your scalp. Now, I have like a rolling scalp. My scalp is really kind of loose. Fun fact. Yeah. So even the most low tension styles, my hair is gonna roll on up. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have little rolls, in my hair. It's gonna like my hair pulling and it's hurting. But I know myself. Y'all know yourself. So be careful and advocate for yourselves too when you go into a beautician or a loctician. So, you start off with 2 pieces, twist it like a 2-strand twist, and then you go in, put those 2 pieces together. Then you're going to get another piece that's going to be your new second leg, and your second leg is going to be the ones with the 2 pieces. And then you just keep going. So you're going to always have more on the original leg than you are with the one you're wrapping. So you're always going to just wrap one. So I decided to do this style too because it's going to kind of help my locks to combine a little, And for the commenter that I had on one of my previous videos that told me I might as well go ahead and cut my locks off or whatever she said. Look now. Let me tell y'all a little something about BreeG. I don't give up on anything unless I decide that I don't want to do it, or it's just something that's not for me anymore. You know what I'm saying? And those kind of mean the same thing, but y'all know what I'm saying. So no, I'm not going to cut my locks off. No, I'm not going to start over. We're going to make this thing work. These videos that I post are videos that I posted that I recorded months ago. Like, I recorded this video back in like May. You know what I'm saying? So like, my hair is still, I'm still going through the combining process. But trial and error. That's why I make these videos, for y'all to see. And I also make these videos to encourage y'all that unless you just got like some really, really damaged locks, I don't think you should start over. But always, consult with a licensed loctician, somebody that's certified in doing this and knows locks, and then decide on what you want to do. Because sometimes you can, revive your locks, and you don't have to start over. So don't let nobody tell y'all to stop, don't do nothing, you can't do nothing. Because look, I'm here to tell y'all. Everything I said I wanted to do, I'm doing. Okay? It's been hard, and it's always trials and tribulations. I know I'm preaching, but y'all, like, take heed to what I say. But anyway, I think I'm also going to... Somebody also commented on another of my videos. All my comments are not negative, and I do appreciate y'all for commenting. Like, I learn a lot from some of the stuff that y'all comment. I kind of reflect on a lot of stuff that y'all say about my locks. I take in everything y'all say. I tell y'all to comment for a reason. Like, I appreciate the comments. But I got a comment from somebody that said that they were a loctician, they were licensed, and they told me that I should get like the crochet needle thing. And so I think I'm gonna get that. And because a lot of my locks, like, the roots are combining, the ends are combining, but like the middle part is still just a twist. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go in with the little tool and just kind of combine them like that. And it's August now with me doing a voiceover, but I actually recorded this video, like I said, like in May. So it's been like May, June, July, August, like 3 months since I've done this, and I'm still happy with my progress. But I do find myself, retwisting, the two that I combine at times. But yeah, I do appreciate y'all for commenting. Thank y'all so much. Keep commenting, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking, because I appreciate it. But anyway, y'all, I'm still going on down my hair. Like I said, don't twist it too much. Oh my goodness, my clothes are done drying. That was the longest beep. But yeah, so right here I realized that one of mine felt kind of loose. So with these, they stay to, like, it takes, once you kind of do the barrel roll, you'll see what I'm saying, like, or twist, whatever you want to call it. They are very sturdy. I'll say that they're very sturdy. So like, even if I was to move my hand, the barrel roll would still be like that. If I didn't even secure with a rubber band, it would still be like that. Like, it would stay in the barrel twist, barrel roll, whatever you want to call it. So I kind of had to pull one loose and then, go back and make it a little tighter. Make sure you have a mirror and you're looking, because it sucks when you have to go back and pick up a lock because you missed it. Because it don't look right if you pulling the lock all the way from the front to the back, because you could tell. You know what I'm saying? Like my stuff, woo! Trying to curse. I'm trying to I like to make sure my stuff looks, neat and uniform. So make sure you have a mirror and take your time and just kind of feel around if you don't have anybody there to help you. It'll just help, because like I said, these are pretty sturdy, so you're gonna have to like take your time and take them loose, and then put the lock in and continue to go on down. But yeah, just take your time, kind of twist it as you go and go on down. And these take me like, each roll probably take me like maybe like 8 to 10 minutes to do. And now that I have less locks, I think I have like 70 something now as opposed to like 140 something. Like, I literally cut my locks in half. I was trying to see if I wanted it up there, but no, I was like, let me just finish. Your arms start getting tired and all that kind of stuff. And then I think at this moment I was just trying to make sure, like, y'all will see at the end, like, it was still one of mine always are a little thicker than the other, or a little more lopsided than the other. So sometimes, like, you need to go through it and like have different stopping points and kind of, shift it over and kind of look at it from the front and make sure that's, that's where you want it. And then kind of just push it over a little bit. Don't do a lot, but do a little bit. So yeah, just keep going. I'm tired, y'all. Like, it's so tiring to like do this. I got my legs wrapped around the chair, around the back, because I want y'all to see everything. So I'm gonna stop talking for a bit and just watch what I do up until the end. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm kind of getting closer to the end. I'd be so happy. I kind of get that, a little burst of energy towards the end. So I'm like, woo, child. Like, my arms be so tired when I be doing this stuff. I was trying to decide, like, make sure I got all of them. And which one do I want to do? So you're really just literally taking one piece and wrapping it around the bulk of your locks. And last one. So yeah, that's how you do it. And then just trying to make sure everything is right and tight. Like that. And then I'm gonna take my little rubber band and I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that down. And look, y'all, one side down, another to go, baby. So I'm just gonna fix my rubber band. I want to make sure they don't have a little gap. Y'all see a little gap right there. So yeah, got a little hang time back there. Nothing too major, but it's some. So yeah, what y'all think? Y'all think that one look good? Now the second one, they not gonna look alike. It's kind of like my eyebrows. Like, they sisters, not twins. Okay, all right. I don't know what I was doing. Y'all think I was showing you how to do a transition. But it ain't happen. Average. Don't ever play me like I'm average. Okay, Lotto. I love me some Lotto, y'all. Don't ever play me like I'm average, because I ain't one of them. Come on. But both sides is done. Y'all see how that right one's a little higher than the left one? And I'm still trying to do this transition stuff. I don't know what I was doing. But it's good. It looks fine, Both sides done. I don't have a straight port down the middle of my head, but that's fine. Now I'm going with my design. Not my design essentials, Lord. I'm going to go with my Cream of Nature, my Gorilla Snot. I got my little edge brush, and I got my little wrap to make sure my edges is laid down. So I'm going to start out with my Cream of Nature edge control, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay some of them down. It's not a lot. I'm not going to have a lot of baby hairs like usual, because I just, retwisted and did the style. So just a little, and I try not to pull out any more hair than I need to. So now I'm just going with like the comb part. That's the part I like to do my edges with, because I guess it grips it a little better, and I'm able to make better like swoop. I was about to say swoop to these little swoops up there. So I hold my finger down just so I could keep the shape of the swoop, and when I'm pulling it around and like kind of parting the edges, I guess you would say, it don't like change the shape of it, or make it disappear. And I kind of try to make sure that like the tails of it go into a part, kind of like into a lock, into a section where a lock is. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all saw it. The voice is just supplemental, so y'all see what I meant, right? Okay, good. And everybody's age is gonna be different. Some people gonna have more hair, and some people gonna have less hair. Do what works for you, baby. Do what works for you. I'd be like, mine to be crisp. I take that little comb, go, y'all heard the little sound effect, yeah. I be doing it. I be doing my little swoops like that. I be wanting to make it look real crisp. That's why I use the comb end of it, right? Right. So now I'm gonna get my Gorilla Snot. and just reinforce these edges. And I also use it on my sideburns to make my little S's down the side. But first I start with putting it on my finger just to reinforce my edges at the top. Give it a little more time to dry while I'm doing my edges, because my little hair wrap thing has a tendency to stick to my gorilla snot if I put it on too soon and it's still not, mostly dry, and it messes up all the hard work I put on my edges. Like, you know what I'm saying? It be gone. So yeah, I do that first, and then I go back and do the part. I use the brush end for my sideburns. So all my ladies out there with the sideburns, go ahead, try this out, tell me what you think. And I do my little swoopy swoops. Some people don't like their sideburns. They be cutting them off. I love my sideburns. I love it. I love them so much. Just go back and forth. Take your time. Go back and forth. And I'm gonna kind of like fan my edges a little bit before I put it on, because I do not want to mess this up. And even after I do this, I sit there for a while. I think I was on the phone or something for a little while before I actually put it on. I don't want it to be completely dry before I put my little wrap thing on, my little scarf on, but kinda put that on. Tie a little bow, and I also like to just make sure I pull down the little two pieces over my ear so they won't be sticking up like that. And I had plans, my friend reneged on me, so I ain't had plans no more. But this how they look. This how my edges look. This how my hair look after I'm done. Cute, cute, cute. What y'all think? Again, comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend, tell me how y'all do y'all barrel rolls, any tips for me, all that stuff. I love to try anything that y'all suggest. Well, mostly anything, But yeah, so I got another part coming after this. I'm gonna show y'all how I did my makeup with this style. So if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all tune in. Here's a little, little clip of my makeup afterwards. So yes, y'all, until next time, talk to y'all later. Bye.